This video looks at the filtering of views and layouts and activities to reduce a substantially sized schedule, of which the one we're looking at here is several thousand rows long, into more manageable chunks to manage. So the first thing you want to do is, in this particular circumstance, the layout is by WBS. So we're actually going to change the layout to a package layout view. Package layout view with WBS. So it will sort it by package number and then by package process, whether it be milestones, approvals, owners team, whoever, and then sub components under that will be by WBS. So we hit open on that or apply. So we're now in that layout view, which happens to be saved with the airport filter turned on. But if we go to the filter and we want to look at, say, the accommodation package, hit apply, it'll bring up all the accommodation schedule information now. You can see all this is accommodation all the way through here, sorted by procurement, etc. So we'll just collapse this view down. So it's now by package, sorted into contractor work, owner's work, approvals by the contractor, approvals by the owner, and any big milestones. And you can see for us, the owner's team, we have engineering and procurement work, and the contractor has engineering, procurement, and construction work. So this just allows a glimpse inside each particular area as to how it all looks when you get to the WBS level. But to make these filters in the first place, you come into Customize Filter, you go New Filter, and you can sort by package is under, and you can choose a value off of the actual package area. So change this into filter by all values. So now you get the tree layout. So we might want to do construction, architectural, mine workers village as a for instance. You can add as many filters as you choose. To change this from a and to an or, you change all of the following to any of the following. And so you could have as many different combinations to build up any views you want. Give the view a title. Anything you want it to be. And you can choose, like I said, as many different combinations. You can, parameters can be activity codings you've used. You can also look at activity IDs. Like an activity ID might contain a certain thing or might start with, you can delete a filter out. So basically build up any filter that you want. If you have to have a situation where you need and ors in a single filter, you actually need to build two filters, and then when you're in here you go any selected filter, and so then you'll actually need to say give me a look at the accommodation and the airport filter. So you'll turn both on to alter the view. If I hit apply right now, you'll see it'll have both accommodation and airport information has come into this schedule. You can make as many of these user defined as you wish. You can actually also push these into copy as layouts. So they go into a layout filter, so they associate with a particular layout. So now I want to make that airport part of a copy as a layout view. You can see it's now gone up into layout filters. So when I'm in the layout that I'm currently in, when it opens up, it'll have that already applied. So again, you can apply as many filterings as you so choose, and you can just go new to create a new filter. And like I said, you can make any by activity IDs, start dates, budgets, resources, WBS categories. So if you go WBS, you might want to see is underneath a certain code in the WBS. So you might want to see just all execution work, for instance. So select that one. So this will be a filter where you're only seeing execution activities, not study activities, and you would obviously title that as such. That's basically filtering.